Welcome to our vlog. We are now here at McDonald's. And Mommy is here. Hey, is there. She makes an order for us. What do you like?
I like Sunday and French fries.
Wow.
That's what I want.
What are you going to say?
Hello guys, I'm playing Daddy's World. This game. I'm playing Rudy. Where's the too big? So this is what I'm playing. So this is what.
Yeah, mahilig kasi siya sa mga games ng mga pambata. And she wants to introduce you what game is that?
Dandy's World.
Huh? Dandy's World?
D-A-N-D-Y
Dandy
and World.
and
World.
World. Dandy and World.
Dandy's World.
Okay.
So this is for kids. So I will do it by myself.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.